In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the one-time password, or OTP, feature on Amazon. This process is particularly useful if you're looking to streamline your login experience, and perhaps find that the additional security of OTP is no longer necessary for your account. Remember, this feature is designed to secure your Amazon account by adding an extra layer of protection. But if you feel confident in your account's security otherwise, turning it off is definitely an option. To get started, you'll first need to log in to your Amazon account. This is the foundational step where you'll have access to all your account's settings. Make sure you use a device that you trust, considering the changes you're about to make will affect your account's security settings. Once you're logged in, locate the Your Account section. You might also find this under Account and Lists, depending on how your menu is displayed. From there, you'll be aiming for the Login and Security segment, which is where we'll find the necessary settings to modify our two-step verification preferences. Within the Login and Security area, be on the lookout for the two-step verification settings. Sometimes, this might be referred to as Advanced Security Settings. It serves to enhance your account security by requiring a verification code each time you sign in. However, if you decide to disable this, follow along closely. Next, you'll need to click on the Edit button located beside the two-step verification options. This area allows you to manage how your verification settings are configured. It's an essential part of this process, as it leads you directly to where you can change or remove the two-step verification requirement. Now, among the options presented, there should be a clear choice to disable or turn off two-step verification. This is what you're looking for if you're sure about turning off the OTP feature. Selecting this will initiate the process of disabling the feature. Amazon, wanting to ensure that this change is being made intentionally by the account holder, may ask for a current OTP or another backup method for verification purposes. This is a key step meant to protect you in case someone else is trying to change your security settings. Make sure you have access to one of the backup verification methods or an OTP to complete this part. Once you've confirmed through the additional verification, the requirement for two-step verification or the OTP should be successfully disabled. Make sure to review any other settings you might want to adjust concerning your account's security now that you've made this change. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the one-time password requirement, making your future logins to Amazon a bit more seamless while ensuring you remain comfortable with your account's security level. Thank you for following along, and remember always to stay conscientious of your online safety.